इन लोगों ने मुझे कास्ट तो कर दिया बट ये अगर ये पायलट एपिसोड कमीशन नहीं हुआ और इसमें मैं दिख गया, मेरी एक्टिंग दिख गई तो मैं गया.
Hello, welcome back to Just Kidding with Sid. Guess what? Today we are having one of the most nostalgic episodes you have ever stumbled upon on our ecosystem. We have Rohan.
Thank you.
We have Murtuza. So how did you crack Rohan's character?
मैं दोस्तों के साथ बैठा हूँ, friends are like, मैंने बोला bro एक मस्त opportunity आया, should I go for it? And he goes like, dude, you're not gonna get it, just sit down. I was the last audition on that day. I walked into a dark room with the camera guy who was waiting to leave and the person who takes the audition.
Which is your favorite episode from Best of Luck?
That treehouse one. When the treehouse falls and they are fighting.
Even when the producers used to come to us and say कि यार इसमें now we are next season is one more baby. So even Gurdeep, who played the character of Himani, is like, are you all mad? Like, is this real?
Hi Murtuza.
But before we start, I want to give his introduction like you gave mine. Charming, chocolate, dimple wala, Mehal.
Where do we start?
What? How many girls do you know and how many relationships are you into?
You know, when I
Zero.
when I think of God and when I think of the time of energy that he spent in creating and crafting human beings, I think he's the one for whom he spent a lot of time.
Yeah. No. I mean, that natural dimple.
Is
मुझे
artificial.
मुझे भी चाहिए.
It's artificial.
That's artificial dimple, right? Your
Yeah,
mom just told
it's-
us.
Artificial dimple. Yeah. It was a very
Fake.
big story.
फर्जी डिम्पल वाले तेरा नाम तो बता. Okay, how are you feeling, Murtuza?
I'm feeling amazing, man. I am super happy that you have me on your podcast. Firstly, I am honored to see the kind of stuff that you're doing, and I'd love to know more about your journey as well. Alongside that, I am sharing the stage with him, who's also who wants to be an actor, but I already think he's an actor, and I think his confidence is contagious. थोड़ा मुझे भी सिखा दे यार, मतलब मैं कैसे और थोड़ा confident बनूं, and I can be like you. Tell me, give me some tips.
Acting.
Acting की tips बता.
Acting can't be. I can't teach you acting. Acting अंदर से आती है. Acting खुद करता है.
वो थोड़ा एडिटर यहाँ से लगाना थोड़ा और यहाँ से पॉपअप छोड़ देना दो. ग्राफिक टीम संभालेंगी हमारी. Beautiful, but tell me, like, how did acting come your way, or did you choose it with the most conscious state of mind?
So, I mean, not a lot of people know about the earlier stage of my acting career that I was a very shy boy.
Okay.
I was actually not just passive aggressive. I was also someone who would like to not be a part of a group discussion.
Okay.
Or not someone who would raise his hand. I would keep a lot of things within me. But when I would stand in front of a mirror in a bathroom, I would do all those things, put my eyebrows up, look at one
That thing?
would want to be all those things, would want to be like Shah Rukh Khan, Leonardo DiCaprio, all the names that we
Okay.
mentioned.
Okay.
So मुझे क्राउड में जाना बहुत डर लगता था, मतलब मेरे हाथ कांपना शुरू हो जाते थे. और deep down inside, the want to be someone who's popular was always there.
Okay.
But I just didn't feel confident enough. मुझे लग रहा था कि यार कुछ कहीं ना कहीं ये एक बहुत बड़ा लैक था, and उसकी I mean reasons could be multiple. Like we can go talking about it in another podcast altogether. But
Okay.
What happened to me is at one point of time, I had no friends, and I started feeling like I am not social. I am not confident. Stage पे जाने से रहा तो मतलब how do I even get out of this barrier? And I realized that I want to make a switch.
Okay.
So imagine a very less confident person is trying to be confident all of a sudden. What would he perhaps do? So I started changing the way I felt about myself. like for example, I would think a lot about, you know, ये क्या अगर मैंने ये बोल दिया तो ये क्या सोचेगा, इसका क्या रिवर्ट आएगा.
Someone who's emotionally vulnerable.
Yeah.
And someone who's also very sensitive.
Yeah, I started caring a lot about the other
Yeah.
person and talking more about them,
Yeah.
learning more about them, being a little more open-hearted. I switched up a little bit.
Got it.
And that had a great impact on making more friends, being a part of stage shows. I was fortunate enough that in college I didn't face what I faced in school. And then the next thing I knew, I got an audition.
Okay.
And that audition was like, there's a VJ opportunity for a Disney show. And I was like, there has to be either मैं इसके लिए जाऊँ या नहीं जाऊँ. मैं दोस्तों के साथ बैठा हूँ, friends are like, मैंने बोला bro एक मस्त opportunity आया, should I go for it? And he goes like, dude, you're not gonna get it, just sit down.
Uh-huh.
And I don't know what happened to me at that point of time. I felt like I should go for it.
Okay.
I caught the bus right outside where I was sitting, and I called that chick and I said that, listen, I'm coming. Are you still running these auditions? She just asked me how much time are you going to take. So I said about an hour. She's like, if you are coming here in an hour, then we will wait. Otherwise, we're not going to be here. I was the last audition on that day. I walked into a dark room. Only one room was lit up with the camera guy who was waiting to leave and the person who takes the audition. And I did a very, very bad audition. It was a disaster because there was a lot of Hindi lines in it. और फ्लुएंटली मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाया. उसमें मुझे बोलना था वेलकम टू दिस डिज्नी चैनल एंड इसके बाद हम देखने वाले हैं हैना मोंटाना और विजर्ड्स ऑफ वेवरली प्लेस आने वाला है. दिस इज नेक्स्ट, दैट इज नेक्स्ट. आई एम श्योर यू हैव नॉट हर्ड ऑफ दोस शोज.
You know Hannah Montana?
हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ हैना मोंटाना?
No.
Oh, you're not.
I have not seen Disney shows that much.
Okay.
I've seen movies, some.
Except for Best of Luck Me.
Yeah.
I understand.
How did you crack Rohan's character?
So the producers of that VJ show were the same as the Nikki guys.
Okay.
Okay, and the moment the show came to them as an opportunity, when they looked at my character and the casting of it, they had already decided कि ये बंदे को देना है. So while the other cast was being figured out, they slyly came and told me कि we are getting you one more show. And that's how, I mean, I still had to give the audition. But for some reason, the director, who is my godfather in the filming and acting career of mine, I look at him as my godfather. So he's someone who found that spark in me and then eventually gave me an opportunity.
Beautiful. Do you look forward to having an opportunity like this? Something that comes your way very naturally.
Yeah. I look to.
Yeah.
Whenever I get an opportunity, even it is hard, I know I can't do it. I would be like, let's do it. What will happen?
What's the worst that can happen?
Yeah. What's the worst that can happen?
Do you still watch the show?
Yeah. Sometimes I watch it.
What do you like about the show? What was so interesting about the show? I keep wondering, yaar. Matlab, honestly,
Yeah.
We did not know the power of the show even after shooting the entire season, the end of season 4. We still, the whole family sat down and talked about it as
Yeah.
if like, यार ये मतलब लोगों को कितना पसंद आ रहा है और क्यों पसंद आ रहा है, मतलब we're not understanding. The show actually grew on people a lot after the show actually ended.
Yes.
And it became a bigger thing than what it was when it actually came out. So
Do you like your character? Did you like your character as Rohan?
I loved my character because I love Joey from Friends.
Oh, the perfect parallel then.
हाँ मतलब
Yeah.
Joey was a character that I actually preferred from Friends, and a lot of other doofus characters that so when it came to me, in my head I had kept 3-4 characters in my head कि इसको खेलना है इस तरीके से, and the wide-eyed, the dumbness, the innocence, that's all I tried to portray. So
I think that I'll tell you why I see a lot of these reels of Rohan being the charming boy and all that is because even if they're not now going viral, the relatability factor is still there.
right.
People can still relate with the idea of this boy being a charming person because you cook.
Correct.
The biggest green flag ever for any girl. You also are a good brother.
Right.
You have a big family. You have a nice family.
Except for the fact that I left my little one Nikki in some garden and I hit judged. So I don't know how that made me a good brother, but I guess
I
And one
remember
more
that,
thing.
I remember that episode when like you are with your friend और तुम दोनों like नहीं मेरी वाली बहुत जोर से भागती है निकी इतनी जोर से भागती है कि जब वो वापस आएगी उसके दोस्त चले जाएंगे and I think that said also your bond with the Nikki, a small child,
Right.
is something that also they related with.
correct.
So maybe they see that in a green flag. So maybe you being a green flag in that era is still making sense right now.
I mean, I don't know about green flag, red flag, or whatever, but I mean, honestly, back in the day, हम जब shoot कर रहे थे, all we cared about is the pulse of the character, right? When we were actually, and I think what people really enjoyed about the character or the characters that everyone played in different ways, and everyone relates in different ways to these characters, right? With my character, I think it was just the innocence. I don't think निकी और रोहन को छोड़ के इतना इनोसेंस कोई भी दूसरे कैरेक्टर में था बिकॉज बाकी सब अपने लेवल पे मतलब
Crazy थे।
शाने थे और ये दो कैरेक्टर्स काफी इनोसेंट थे सो आई थिंक द चार्मिंग इज वन साइड ऑफ थिंग्स बिकॉज चार्मिंग ऑल्सो has a little bit of smartness involved in it, right? I think I was less charming, I was more innocent, and I think that's probably what childlike innocence
Yeah.
is what they must have probably picked on.
Which is your favorite episode from Best of Luck Nikki?
दो थे एक जब लाइक द सिबलिंग्स लीव निकी एक्सचेंज हो जाती है आप एक कैफे में किसी को तो मिलते हो और निकी एक्सचेंज हो जाती है
रोहन रोहन तुम गलत पर चले आए निकी कहाँ है
एंड द सेकंड वन वाज दैट ट्री हाउस वन in the tree house was and
Yeah, the second episode is actually our pilot episode, by the way.
Second one pilot?
हाँ हमने पहले शूट किया था सेकेंड वाला एपिसोड टू बी एबल टू कमीशन द शो क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स बाहर आ रहे थे उसमें एक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा था सो डिज्नी एक्चुअली शॉट दैट एज अ पायलट एपिसोड फर्स्ट और
second one.
हाँ द सेकेंड वन
Tell us the first episode and the last episode of Best of Luck Nikki and what is the difference of feelings that you felt?
So first episode, I think I'll say it from my point of view because बाकी के point of views तो मैं इतनी अच्छी तरीके से नहीं बता पाऊंगा but from my point of view I remember when I walked into set my knowledge of acting was the least.
Okay.
मतलब मुझे लग रहा था कि at least अनन्या which is character of Nikki she's in a better position than me because वो smile कर देगी उसका acting हो जाएगा. In my case I actually felt as a very amateur actor in that space because everyone had done enough work. Sunny had done enough work. Sheena had already done a lot of shows. Girish was probably down 40-50 shows, ad films, etc. And of course Gurdeep was also a name in the industry. So हम जब पहला दिन वहाँ पे पहुँचे ना मैं खाली खुद के साथ प्रेपरेशन में लगा हुआ था कि मैं क्या यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ और कैसे करूँगा सो दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट डे व्हिच आई फेल्ट लाइक आई रियली नीड टू नॉट लुक बैड और ये मुझे एक दो शूट डेज के बाद निकाल ना दे मतलब
Every introvert in this world.
मतलब you know what I mean right that insecurity कि यार मैं ये लोग ने मुझे कास्ट तो कर दिया बट ये अगर ये पायलट एपिसोड कमीशन नहीं हुआ और इसमें मैं दिख गया मेरी एक्टिंग दिख गई तो मैं गया.
Damn. And you also had that feeling I don't belong here. Maybe I don't belong here.
I had a feeling like I was really trying to find my way in that spot but belonging is definitely a questionable thing also कि भाई मैं कैसे इसको क्रैक करूँ.
And how old were you?
I was 20.
You're 20 years old.
I was 20 years old but I was 16.
You did not look 20-year-old at all.
Yeah, I was 20.
Yeah.
First episode.
Yeah.
है ना?
I was 20 but I looked 16, 17.
yeah
No, you looked I think at least 13, 14. Someone who is like 10th का exam दे रहा है.
yes
है
I
ना?
felt like 14-15 years old
Yeah, no, I was actually 20, a little more than 20 also for that matter तभी.
Wow.
So I had my sensibilities in order, but
Uh-huh.
my skill set I always was a little scared about. I wasn't confident, right? So, but as I got into the character and through the character, then season 1, season 2, season 3 के बाद तो मतलब फिर तो
Of
set
course,
था.
like it's like you could also imagine what might happen with the TV shows and characters from the West, like Friends and Office and all these characters.
Yeah.
It grows on you so much that
Correct.
in real life also you start behaving like that person.
No. After a point of time, I feel like all our characters, we could be part of multiverses and still play those characters differently. Like that's how good
Yeah.
I think everyone had a pulse of their respective characters.
Yeah. I saw a comment on one of your podcasts with Ananya, which said that एक और स्पिन ऑफ होना चाहिए जहाँ पे निकी बड़ी हो जाती है और वो कॉलेज जाती है और उसकी कॉलेज की लाइफ दिखाओ,
How cool would that be?
है ना?
और उसमें रोहन को भी कास्ट करना.
Of course. But he's not running Nukkad anymore.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. It's not Nukkad anymore. It's actually, I mean, that is also quite a interesting story. मैं वहाँ पे कुक्कड़ नुक्कड़ जैसे एक रेस्टोरेंट में काम करता हूँ एंड और मैं एक शेफ की ट्रेनिंग लेता हूँ शो में. आई एम एक्चुअली with my wife Mansi, we've started a coffee company called Ripface Coffee, and I'm into hospitality somehow. So it's quite weird in an interesting way.
I think Kukkad Nukkad was the inspiration for Drip Face for your
हो सकता
startup.
है, हो सकता है. I think it started from there.
But in a way, what do you remember from? So, do you love cooking?
I love cooking. I in fact love going home after a day's work, and I would probably even cook so that I could feel good at that point of time. So it's one of those therapeutic things for me.
So now I'm guessing you're married.
Yes.
Right? I know. Just for the podcast, I'm saying. Now you're married.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, girls. I know your hearts are broken, but your Rohan is not single anymore. So you're married, and now, when you met the love of your life, and now that she is with you, does she also draw any differences or any expectations from the Rohan character? अरे रोहन तो ऐसा था, तू ऐसा क्यों है? ऐसा होता है?
I think she met me after ये सब रोहन वाला झमेला खत्म हो गया
अच्छा.
था. उसने मेरा एक भी एपिसोड आज तक नहीं देखा है.
हाँ, देखो
एक भी.
भैया, ये
और
तो
मैं है ना वहाँ पे रील्स वगैरह जब आ जाते हैं ना तो एक बार दिखा देता हूँ. वो भी वो डिसइंटरेस्टेडली देख लेती है कि हाँ ठीक है ना, मतलब व्हाट इज द बिग डील अबाउट दिस. So she actually finds that मुझे एक्टिंग में ही कुछ करना था. ये सब एंटरप्रेन्योरियल बिजनेस सब तुझे छोड़ के ये सब एक्टिंग में ही पढ़ना चाहिए.
But trust me, you're an amazing actor.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Because मैं अभी भी देखता हूँ ना कि जब कुछ शोज ऐसे होते हैं जब हम पीछे देखते हैं, बहुत पहले देखते हैं, उनसे एक थोड़ा एक क्रिंज वाला फील, यार ये देखता था मैं. बट व्हेन आई वॉच इवन बेस्ट ऑफ लक निकी नाउ, आई रिमेंबर कि आई यूज्ड टू वॉच गुड शोज, क्योंकि अभी भी उसकी लिखाई अच्छी है.
Right.
अभी भी डायलॉग्स अच्छे हैं.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ कहीं पे कुछ फिट हो रहा है इसके लिए लिख दिया. I
Right.
think the entire episode, I think the entire season was properly orchestrated,
Correct.
and then they started shooting. It
Yeah,
was not something which was based on situational factor के feedback आ गया ये लेते हैं, because तभी social media नहीं था. अभी social media use करके second season change हो सकता है, third season change हो सकता है.
I think pulse होती है ना, like he's also done a lot of acting stuff and you also understand content more than most people. हर एक script का एक pulse होता है, right? And the pulse can be less impactful or more impactful. I mean, depending on whatever. In Nikki's case, it generated a higher impact because it connected with a lot of people from different spectrums and everyone could relate to it in some way or the other. So it was a great formula to put firstly a family together.
Yeah.
Right. And that was one great thing about the show, and it's an international show which we replicated here, of course. But even the replication of it happened so smoothly, which I felt like the relatability actually, and there's nothing dirty, cringy, nothing in that show, which in today's generation, I think they're looking for content like that even now. okay, how do you produce content where there is innocence, there is no you know
double meaning,
double meaning words
nothing,
used.
yeah.
Jokes are very, very well. It's relationship based drama, and it's so relatable. So I, like you rightly said, that today if writers could actually write for the current generation, because they are very emotional. They love content like this.
Yes.
It could perhaps do better. Maybe you could be one of those writers.
What do you think if the Best of Luck Nikki season 2 comes, which next season, fifth season comes?
Fifth season comes.
Would you be a part of? Would you like to be a part of this?
Yeah. What
podcast?
character would you play?
Yeah.
I would play Sunny.
अरे भाई.
Sunny
He
goes
looks
to
also like
college. Maybe he goes to college. I would like to.
But you look like you can go to school right now, and you want to play someone who goes to
Yeah.
college.
Yeah,
Interesting.
I want to play, but I look like who is going to school. I want to play.
You did not tell us about the last episode of Best of Luck Nikki because it was very emotional.
Right.
The camera thing, the video camera
So we
thing.
were in disbelief. हम लोग सारे लोग एक ऐसे एजी सिचुएशन में थे कि हम जब वो एपिसोड शूट कर रहे थे, दैट वाज एक्चुअली द लास्ट एपिसोड आल्सो, एंड इट वाज द लास्ट डे ऑफ शूट आल्सो. एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली सारे लोगों का थॉट प्रोसेस ये था कि इतना अच्छा शो चल रहा है, व्हाई शुड वी शट इट? आई मीन, are they seriously going to shut it? And a lot of our producers and everyone felt like, no, we're pitching for season 5 भी करेंगे. But abroad का शो ना वो बंद हो गया था.
Okay.
Season 4 was the last of the international show, and the Indian show, even though we could have done 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, for all you know, हम लोग 15 पे होते और हम आज भी वो शूट करते हैं अभी right now. But unfortunately, I felt like Disney was going through a shift at that point of time, so I think they did not see the opportunity in it.
I think so. But if the spin-off happens, if the new season comes of Best of Luck Nikki, what do you think will be difference in the way how it will be made now?
I think it will be very different. I don't see the same nostalgia in it. I think it will be made. I think the creator should be the same. Then you could expect that what you got back in the day. But if there was any new writer or new thought process coming in, it would switch its way.
ऐसा कौन सा एपिसोड था जिसमें आपको सबसे ज्यादा सेंसिबल बताया गया था?
That is a very sensible question.
Very sensible question.
Okay.
I think अभी जो मुझे immediately ध्यान में आ रहा है वो है when I go to Bombay, मतलब मुंबई, and वहाँ पे मैं दिल्ली में मेरे पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस कर रहा हूँ कि मैं मुंबई जाके अपनी लाइफ बनाऊँगा और I've got this. And it's not easy, right, for someone who's been sheltered to come to Mumbai and make a life of their own. And what I want to do is I want to start a vada pav stall. But it is a genius idea because vada pav is what is selling today in other parts of the country and doing wonders, right? In fact, there was a brand in, just moving off topic, that there's a brand in Bangalore which is called Mumbai Vada Pav and it's
I
killing
know.
it.
Yes.
Right? So, ऐसे बहुत सारे.
There is a brand called Bene in Mumbai which is killing it.
So interestingly, Rohan actually was on the right track.
Yes.
So that's the most sensible thing that I think I must have come up.
Yeah, that he used his own mind to like make his own small business type.
है ना, तो सब बोलते थे बस लड़कियों के बारे में सोचता था,
Exactly.
खाने के बारे में, ऐसा थोड़ी होता
बट
है.
वो चक्कर में मैं नई नई लड़कियों को भी मिल सकता था. भैया जी थोड़ी चटनी ज़्यादा ना.
But were you treated like a lady's boy while you were on the show? ऐसा कुछ
No
था?
man, I have never ever been that guy.
Why did I say lady's boy? That is so bad.
I have never been that guy, and you shouldn't be too. Okay, I think number one is तू बन सकता है यार, तुझमें वो बात लग रही है मुझे, but
हो गया मैं रिटायर हो गया.
I personally I think I've always been a one woman kind of a relationship kind of guy.
Aww.
वो अलग बात है कि वो हुआ नहीं लाइफ में, 3-4 आ गए eventually, but my focus was always that.
One.
my hope was always कि यार मैं एक ही लड़की से प्यार करूँगा, शादी करूँगा, वही होगी एक, but doesn't work as you plan
But
it.
you have to go through the journey of becoming Rohan multiple times so that you end up becoming the Avatarji of your life.
Of my
One love,
One love.
one woman man.
one woman. Man.
Um, I read a lot of funny comments about the family getting bigger and bigger and bigger. How do
It
you,
was quite a hilarious thing for us also, that even when the producers used to come to us and say कि यार इसमें now we are next season is one more baby. So even Gurdeep, who played the character of Himani, is like, are you all mad? Like, is this real? So sorry, you were saying.
so how did you used to sit down and respond to those comments together, or do you still like send these memes and these news to each other?
नहीं यार, मतलब हम लोग को जो बॉबी वाला एलिमेंट है ना, थोड़ा सा ऑफ लगा था
Okay.
कि शुड वी
Yeah, थोड़ा off.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा ऑफ लगा था एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एज एक्टर्स, बट वी हैड टू प्ले इट कन्विंसिंगली. सो हमने ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं, क्योंकि इन there are possibilities and relatabilities there as well. But in today's day, when we look back, I don't know how they could have done something differently also. Like, I just don't know. I feel like everything happened the way it was supposed to happen. Nothing could have changed there.
Was there any episode where you felt extremely emotional? I know it's very paradoxical because the show was funny.
नहीं यार, there was never anything. There was absolutely never a episode or a feeling where I felt emotional about it, because it was all laughs. Every single day on set with the right people, positive vibes. Everyone's trying to make that episode or that scene better in some way or the other. Even if there is a little bit of competition, which is good amongst actors, I think it still. He's also like.
कंपटीशन तो होता रहता है.
is very natural, and it works. It works in a scene, because if I end my joke with a punch and you don't like it, you will also come with another punch after, and then you'll have a reaction which is louder than mine, and then eventually वो 2 मिनट का scene 3 मिनट का बन जाता है.
And how did you come up with your tagline?
Which is,
Your like whatever.
There are multiple
one-liners-
taglines.
One-liners that you had.
so of course credit to the writers, but I think a lot of some of the improvisations that we did with Sunny, we did a lot of improvisations. This whole aspect of Tunna Munna was created.
Yes.
And he said Tunna, and I must have said Munna, and then it just worked out.
Oh, that
and
was situational.
that was situational.
Oh, wow.
And then we played on that quite a bit, and we said the writers also liked it, so they said करते रहो ये, मतलब जब भी तुम दोनों को मन किया तो तुम लोग एक दूसरे को टुन्ना मुन्ना बुला दो.
Nice.
Then there were other situations where sudden one-liners we must have said, or a reaction. Like I remember Nikki मेरा भाई है is a dialogue where I say, and I said it in a very funny way. They loved it so much and it sounded so dumb that they said कि ऐसी भी dialogues ऐसे ही बोल कि मैं यहाँ पे जाने वाला हूँ, मैं वहाँ गया था.
He sounds like that
Yeah.
still now. I think like that is why I think you're a great actor, and I'm not happy that you're not acting anymore.
But I'm happy what I'm doing.
I
But
know what you're doing. I know you're doing amazing things, but still.
but acting was a very, very critical part of. I enjoyed acting,
yeah.
and I'm not like a anti situation in my life कि अगर कुछ अच्छा आ जाता है तो मैं definitely करने के लिए तैयार.
नहीं बताओ, अब बात चलाएंगे हम.
करो.
सिफारिश. अच्छा, by the way, I have some clips to be played. I hope you don't mind. 2-3 clips.
Go for it.
Let's do it. This is why I saw that, that very innocent side of him for the first time when it comes to being shy about girls.
हाँ पापा, आपको एक बात बताना भूल गया. वो जो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है, कितना अच्छा लगता है जब उसे गर्लफ्रेंड बोलता हूँ. उसने एक बात बताई.
तू उससे एक बार मिला और वो तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड बन गई?
एक बार माँ, वो एक बार तो 1000 बार के बराबर था. क्या कमाल की लड़की है माँ. जैसे उसमें कोई जादू है।
बात क्या बताई उसने?
किसने?
चौरंगी लाल
किसने?
मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने
This is improvised.
क्या बताई?
कितना अच्छा लगता है जब आप उसे मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड बोलते हो। उसे कहा कि उसकी मम्मी और आप एक दूसरे को जानते हो। नाम है कीर्ति शिनॉय।
कीर्ति शिनॉय। मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा। नहीं
अगर याद आ जाता तो उड़ के पंखे तक नहीं पहुंच जाते आप। कौन है ये कीर्ति?
तुमसे ठीक पहले मेरी आखिरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी।
I think Girish, like he had this very knack of being so natural on camera, and I think when I even think of Sarabhai, he brings that energy of Sarabhai. Like very lively, energetic man, and tries very, very best to be an amazing father, but at the same time sucks sometimes. And then when it comes to like being that having that childlike energy around you guys, I see a lot of Indian fathers in this. And
Correct.
which is the most basic thing. Seeing an Indian father in a character.
To begin with, I think the skill set that he has, the understanding of the craft that he had was contagious. मतलब आप उस एनर्जी के साथ हो और आपको पता है कि वो सीन को किस डायरेक्शन में लेके जा सकते हैं, वो प्रेशर हम पे आ जाता था।
Yeah.
और वो अगर हम उस तरीके से परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे तो वो जितना भी अच्छा परफॉर्म करे, हम क्या ही दिखने वाले हैं, राइट? इट डजंट पुट अ सीन टुगेदर एज वेल. सो हम तो वही, like his energy is what really made us perform better and his craft made us perform better.
I have a question for you about the show.
It's okay.
What do you think the most funny thing is about the show? Most funny thing about the show?
I think Nikki, yeah, I think Nikki is the funniest thing in the show. I mean, if you really put all of us on one side, and if you guys didn't see, y'all actually saw the show from Nikki's lens, because it's a mad family that Nikki is encountering, and that is why it's best of luck Nikki कि तुम्हारा पागल फैमिली में तुमको best of luck बोल रहा हूँ, मतलब that is what the scripting is, right?
Yes.
So
Now that makes sense.
I mean that's
End में भी वही बोलती है ना while she's making the video.
yeah, like best of luck Nikki. So like तुम्हारा भाई ऐसा है, best of luck Nikki. तुम्हारे माँ और बाप के बीच में ये चल रहा है, best of luck Nikki. So the idea of the show is actually like you're dealing with a mad family, and kudos to you.
Next one.
सनी ने गैराज में आग लगा दी है, फायर ब्रिगेड को बुलाओ।
सनी ने पापा की सैंडविच में चूहे मारने की दवा डाल दी है, मैं उन्हें हॉस्पिटल लेकर जा रही हूँ।
सनी ने रोली आंटी की बिल्ली को वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल दिया।
देखा, मैं एक बैड बॉय हूँ।
Now, I feel this is what also like the contrast between character is so important.
Correct.
Like there are siblings, but the siblings are very different. That he is very nice guy, thoda shararti, but he's a nice, good boy. But on the other end, Sunny is the one who wants to come out as someone who's a hard man, ekdam
Emotionless.
stoic, and all that. And I think that is why people also relate with that, you know, main hu bad boy,
Yeah.
right? So I think that also still works as of now.
Yeah, I know a lot of Sunnies in my life. मतलब वो जो हाँ, मतलब imagine आप कुछ बोल रहे हो और एक sarcastic remark मार दिया और आपको मतलब 2 सेकंड में आप देख रहे हो कि
Uncomfortable हो जाए।
what the hell. So I think there are a lot of Sunnies. Usually Sunnies के जो Sunny वाले लोग जो होते हैं वो tough exterior वाले लोग होते हैं,
Sigma male.
but हाँ अंदर से बहुत soft होते हैं.
Yeah.
Sigma male. Next one.
Sigma male.
Do you still talk with Sunny?
Yeah,
Yeah?
we are very much in touch.
Yeah, great.
Anyway, क्या मैं कल जा सकती हूँ? पापा, प्लीज, माँ, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज।
अरे कैसी बात कर रही हो? मैं ऐसे हालत में कैसे आ सकती हूँ? और पापा को भी नहीं आने दे सकती।
काश इस फैमिली में और कोई अडल्ट होता जो डॉली के साथ जा सकता।
तुम भी तो एक एडल्ट हो।
अडल्ट हूँ? हाँ, मैं अडल्ट हूँ।
माँ, तो क्या मैं रोहन के साथ जा सकती हूँ?
हाँ, लेकिन तुम दोनों न्यू ईयर पार्टी से पहले वापस आ जाना।
हाँ माँ, आप फिक्र मत करो, न्यू ईयर वाले दिन हम शाम को ही वापस आ जाएंगे।
मतलब
न्यू ईयर्स के दिन आप दोनों घर पर नहीं होने वाले? रोहन भैया जाने से पहले आप न्यू ईयर्स पार्टी के लिए खाना तो बना के जाओगे ना? रोहन भैया आप हमारे लिए ये तो करोगे ना?
कैसी बातें कर रहे हो सनी बेटा? अगर रोहन ने खाना
वापस
बनाया
बोलेगा।
तो हमें उसे फ्रीजर में रखना पड़ेगा, फिर डीफ्रॉस्ट करना पड़ेगा, फिर गर्म करना पड़ेगा, फिर खाना पड़ेगा। इससे अच्छा है कि मैं ही पार्टी के लिए खाना बना दूं।
रोहन भैया आप हमारे लिए इतना तो कर सकते हो ना?
I think the nuances of the show is what I like. The nuances, small things that make up a show,
Yeah.
and that is what is there in shows like Shararat, also shows like Sonpari. The nuances, I think you won't get that because अभी जो तुम देख रहे हो उसमें हर जगह रिटेंशन चाहते हैं लोग कि इसका अटेंशन हम कैसे ग्रैब करके रखें.
Correct. There's too much thought into, I think, what's being created for this generation. I think which is a problem also. I think पहले के generation में it was pure. I think the pulse of writing was basic, like thumb rule of writing. Nothing. I think now there is data in it,
Yeah.
which is what's affecting. कि ये starting point इतना होना चाहिए, उसके बाद ये आना चाहिए, उसके बाद ये होना चाहिए. It's become more formula based.
Will you ever cast him? Will you ever cast him in your movie?
I mean, if I was on the other side of the table, then yes, of course, he looks like a perfect
Let's do an
cast.
audition.
Done.
Okay.
चलो.
कुछ भी कर लोगे ना. It's, I mean, should we give him a scene?
हाँ, let's give
Any
him a
dialogue.
Scene दे दो.
Yeah, I'm ready.
now, not anytime. Now.
Yeah.
Acha, the scene is. No, you.
अच्छा, I'll come
you
up
have a
with it.
better
Okay,
knack.
okay. So, let's. आपको ये कॉफ़ी किसी ने बना के दी है, ठीक है? बहुत ही गंदी कॉफ़ी है. और आपको एक तरीके से एक ऐसे टाइप की कॉफ़ी पसंद आती है जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल आपके लिए बनती है.
लगता है प्लग इन हो रहा है.
हाँ. नहीं. So you are yelling at your wife
Yeah.
for making this terrible coffee for you and not making it the way it has been made.
Yeah.
Okay? So you have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
ये कॉफी होती है. वाह, इससे अच्छा तो मेरा वो साबुन है डिश सोप वाला, बहुत टेस्टी होता है. उसमें वही टेस्टर है, इसमें वही टेस्टर है. बहुत गंदा है. इस मतलब कॉफी बनाई है या फिर गटर से नीचे से लेकर आकर दे दिया. अरे कुछ तो अच्छा बनाओ जैसे हमेशा बनाते हैं, अच्छे से शक्कर डालकर, कुछ भी ना डाल देने का. और एक चीज, कॉफी में हींग नहीं डालते.
Good, यार, good.
Very nicely done, yaar.
What do you think?
I think 10 on 10, yaar.
Nice,
You killed it. You killed it.
I think Hing thing was really good.
और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम और मतलब अगर ज़्यादा टाइम होता ना, तुम 10-15 मिनट ऐसे चलते रहते.
Actually हमें नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. Stop और बोलना चाहिए था.
Complaining.
By the way, congratulations for being blessed with a girl.
Thank you.
How does it feel to have a Nikki in your life?
There is nothing better in this world that can match this feeling.
Yeah.
There's nothing. There is, in the last 36 years that I have lived in this world, there is nothing better than this.
Yeah. When you look at your child, does it take back to your show?
It does. There are a lot of feelings that now that I feel like more like I'm tapping into my childlike self, I feel like I'm tired of being mature now.
Okay.
हो गया मतलब मेरा maturity is done.
Uh-huh.
So sometimes I just want BS, which is bullshit.
So is it like 9 months के लिए आप एकदम mature बन गए थे, but 9 months के बाद जब बच्चा आया, चलो बच्चे ही बन लेते.
नहीं मतलब I'm saying like before I had a little one in my life, I'm saying that there was too much maturity and life and
Rational. I think he's not able to believe he has a child.
हाँ मतलब now when you have a child, you start realizing the small things in life. You feel like you want them back.
But it's a very full circle moment that we saw you on the show taking care of Nikki, and now you're taking care of your Nikki. What's
Thank
her
you.
name, by the way?
Her name is Kyra.
Kyra, he took a lot of pause एकदम.
हाँ मतलब मुझे बोलना था कि नहीं उसका नाम मतलब
But ठीक है, she's well, she's healthy.
yeah
And maybe after 7 years she'll be on the podcast with him.
But
hopefully
I'm confused. You're 36? Really? I thought you were like 30 or something, 29, 30.
मेरी एज के
हाँ.
28.
आपके एज के.
हाँ.
मैं 7-8 साल थोड़ा लेट चल रहा हूँ लाइफ में.
But I think like you have kept that childlike energy. That is why you don't
Yes.
come off as an adult and someone who has a baby.
Thank you.
So job well done.
Thank you.
Do you have any other question to him when it comes to the show or anything?
And one more thing, why do like I think डॉली को मतलब थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही सेंसिबल दिखा दिया था. It was like जो पूरी फैमिली थी, like it was like silly things, मतलब छोटी मोटी फालतू चीज़ें करना. It was like that. पर उसको it was looking like she was more sensible than others.
I think that's what the complexity comes in, right? अभी हम 3 लोग अलग अलग टाइप के लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हैं तब जाके it becomes interesting. I think that's what the show did. It had different kinds of people और उनको एक situation में डाल दिया और whatever happens ऐसा था. So I think that's Dolly's character in general. She is the most mature, even more than the parents. In fact,
Yeah,
that's how
yeah.
they've showed her.
And how did your life change after the show?
Not too much, man. I never felt like there was much of a change. Yeah, of course, people started noticing me a lot more than otherwise, but I didn't feel any different.
Like inside of you did not feel anything different.
हाँ मतलब
But externally things were changing.
they were changing. They were, I mean, people were noticing, but a lot of the noticing actually happened much later in life. You won't believe it. So when I think people at his age were watching Nikki at that point of time when it was actually coming on TV, who have grown up now. So a lot of the 18, 19-year-olds today who were watching Nikki, it's a much different expression on their face when they see me today. So for them, this is like disbelief that, wait, what? Is this really happening?
Yeah.
एंड वन मोर थिंग, जब वो निकी बॉर्न हुई है उसका जो वीडियो बताया मतलब एपिसोड बताया था उसमें आपको सच में क्या मुर्गी के उसमें कवर किया था फेदर्स में?
हम मुर्गियों के
In
टेंट
real
में
in your
पूरे 1
costume?
घंटे का सफर तय करके आ रहे हैं।
वो
Wait,
टेम्पो
I'm trying to
मुर्गियों का नहीं था।
remember कि उसको कैसे किया था. नहीं यार, it was obviously done. थोड़ा बहुत fabrication किया था यार उसको. मतलब you're an actor, you understand.
Yeah, I understand it.
But I think out of everyone, your relationship with Nikki is something that everyone loved.
Yeah.
And that shows a lot. And I think that is why I feel you got blessed with a girl only.
Possibly. Also, my relationship with her on the show was also, it really worked out well because she was very comfortable with me when she was on set with us. I was very like easygoing with her. So I think our vibes at that point of time really matched. Our scenes were put together more after that because we were working really well together as a pair. And she was brilliant. She was, I mean, even in my last podcast, I said it. I think Nikki is gifted, and we were gifted with Nikki because I don't think the show would have done as well as it did if we didn't have like a Ananya on our show for sure.
Ananya, we miss you. I want both of you guys to manifest one thing for yourself because I believe in power and manifestation.
Sure.
I would like all of us to hold this cup and say it out loud, that one manifestation that we want to happen in the next 5 years. And you have to say it loudly and then we cheers together. Okay?
Yes.
One by one karenge. Let me start.
Okay.
Okay. I manifest that I have a big happy family after 5 years and we are sitting by the beach in Goa, somewhere in North Goa, and we are sipping on great coffee, maybe bitter face, and also talking about what about the next one?
Awesome.
What do you want to manifest?
In the next 5 years, the thing that I want to be is like I be a very famous actor, and I want to be a great student and be in IIT.
ओ भाई साहब. Okay, हाँ.
Wow.
आप बताओ.
So I see a visual like you saw your
Okay,
visual.
okay.
मुझे ना एक डिज्नी के लिए एक वीजे एज अ वीजे हांगकांग डिज्नीलैंड भेजा गया था, और ऑरलैंडो का मेरा टिकट लग गया था, सब कुछ लग गया था, वीज़ा नहीं लगा बिकॉज ऑफ सम प्रॉब्लम्स, और मैं वहाँ जा नहीं सका.
Okay.
What I see is that I am in Orlando with my wife and my little one, who would not be little now but would be after 5 years a little bigger, enjoying Disneyland the way I would have enjoyed as my childhood self, and probably on some billboard seeing Drip Face around as well. that would be a great visual, and seeing those Disney fireworks.
Let's do it. Let's manifest that. Cheers.
Thanks.
Cheers. कुछ नहीं है but
It was actually my last sip.
last sip. It was
Same.
meant to happen.
It was like
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much for being a part
for
of
having me,
this. People call you Zaha, so I'll call you Zaha. And thank you so much, Mehan, for coming here and tagging along. We got to know a very beautiful side of you as a human being, and that is what matters the most. That is what makes up that actor. That is what makes up that show, and that is what makes up the person who you are right now. So thank you so much.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks for
And,
having me. I am so happy that I'm sharing
thanks
this
for calling me for the podcast.
lovely platform with such amazing human beings.
Yes.
And I know that you're doing some wonderful things in life, which if there is any way, any small or big way that I can be a part of that, I would love to be a part of it.
I call you out to come on the next episode with us to one of our underprivileged shelters.
For sure.
And let's sip on coffee. Let's sip
Done.
on to great beverage
Done,
with them,
done,
and
done.
we'll have a nice coffee party with all the kids out there.
Done, buddy. Done.
Who are not like very kids. They are 10 plus. They can have coffee. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please like, share, subscribe. उसके अलावा आपको पता है घंटी बजाओ. मेंबर बनना है तो वो भी बन लो. And until next time, keep kidding.